Adding keywords to the file before you upload the pictures are going to help you get ranked, because it's not supposed to be one of those places that you keyword optimize for.
Okay, and I wanted to give you a ninja tip here on, this is something that a lot of people don't know or don't do, which is called geotagging images, okay? Geo stands for location. And it's very, very simple thing to do that all you got to do is name your image before you upload it to your Google My Business. Just name it, whatever your company name is, plus the city. And you can vary that too. Like for example, here we did Manuel, Suarez, and then we'll do Largo, Florida, and then we'll upload that to our AGM, our agency, Google My Business, right? Maybe the next time we'll upload it, we'll say email marketing services, Largo, Florida. The next one could be about whatever, plus maybe we'll, kind of also switch it up and we'll go the next city over, Clearwater, Florida, so we can start to maybe rank over there as well. Make sense? Super Ninja. It's very, very easy. You just got to go to your image. You got to go right-click. And if you're on a Mac, it says Get Info, and that's how you get to this section right here. And if you're on a PC, it says Properties.
Adding keywords to the file before you upload the pictures are going to help you get ranked, because it's not supposed to be one of those places that you keyword optimize for, right? But based on our own research here, that's being used. Like if you search for Manuel Suarez Largo, Florida, you're probably going to find us at the top. Granted, I'm sure there's not many Manuel Suarez Largo, Florida, running a marketing agency, but you want to put keywords on that file because it kind of, the system receives that file with those keywords, and the word is, again, indexing.
Right.
That gets indexed. Whatever's on your website is indexed. Whatever is added on your reviews is indexed. Whatever is added on your post is indexed. All of this is being indexed by the algorithm. That's why it's the most incredible search engine on the planet. Google is not a human thing. Google is a massive artificial intelligence machine, the most incredible one on the planet. They use all this. There's no single human being making this better. It's all an algorithm.
And also, if all you did was just that, it's not really going to make a difference. You got to do everything that, we're talking about.
So what she's asking is, can you name it all the different cities around you, for example, so you can try to reach more areas. In a place like where we're at right now, there's many small cities. There's Largo, Safety Harbor, Clearwater, Palm Harbor, etc. So you could do that, because anybody that's in Palm Harbor, anybody that's in the Tampa Bay area, we could service here in AGM. So you can actually have a Google Doc or a spreadsheet in which you are naming all the different images and what keywords you use, and just change the file names and just try to cover more. These are little tricks that they really do work.
Yeah.
They're not public. Google is never going to tell you that.
Yeah, they're never going to
Amazon is
reveal
never going to tell you
kind of
that,
stuff.
but they are absolutely facts, and you can test this out. These are things that you can experience yourself. You can actually grab one of these files and name it. First of all, before you upload it, search for yourself on Google and find out. Give it about a week or two after you upload it, and now search again, and you should be able to see a difference there.
Yeah. If we add these, keywords into the title of the image, would you upload it to this section and designate it for the different service areas that you have on your Google My Business? The answer is no, because the thing is that that's going in either here where the posts, section is of your Google My Business, so you don't choose an area for that, or B, you would also, or the other section that you would upload it to is just, you're on Google, you can upload images as an owner, and you also can upload whether it's inside the building, whether it's outside the building, like there's different little sections like that, but there's not a section that's tied to your service area. Yeah. But it will still help if you add in those service areas plus your keyword of what your industry is about.
If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. Go ahead and subscribe right now.